Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Come test drive the 2020 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, driver's side remote mirror, interval wipers, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, map lights, power driver's seat, reclining seats, driver airbag. Come see the car for yourself.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.